Hello. Let's look at our online resume with our LinkedIn profile and how to build connections. When you first start out, you're going to have no connections, or you might have less than 500 connections. Usually people want to have an impressive LinkedIn profile and they see that there's the 0 to 500 and it'll show the number in between, and then 500, 1,000, 10,000 connections, it will just show 500 plus. So there's this association with a stronger profile, with a more well-developed, well-networked online resume for LinkedIn by having 500 plus connections. So we're going to go over how to create more connections in your LinkedIn network. I'm just going to share my screen here. All right, so here's my dummy LinkedIn account. And you'll see that this is just the home page. And then I'm going to, you'll also see build your network, so find connections. And it just gives you a list of people that you may know based off some of the things that you filled out. And you can just select connect on all of these people, and that will help build your network and build the number of people that will be listed on your profile. You can also search for people. So you can go to the search bar and you can find specific people that might come from your contact list, or people that you just know by first and last name, even maybe in people that from your previous jobs that you want to connect with. They might be on LinkedIn. Another way is in the search bar let's go to viewer profile. So you can see I don't have any connections listed on here because this is just a brand new account. And you can go in the search bar and you can actually type hashtag math, and you can search for interests that are interesting to you. And you'll find people who put out content, and you can click on their profile and try and connect with them. So this is a way to build your network relevant to your industry, relevant to your career path, relevant to maybe a new career path that you want to create. And so math is one example. You can do mathematics, you can do math teacher, you can do software engineering, you can do computer science, any kind of hashtag you might feel is relevant. Another way to build connections is to actually put out content there that people will start to follow. And if you have 0 followers, you'll just have to bring in contacts that you already have. And so just keep doing this, keep building and building. And LinkedIn will also suggest people that you may know, and you can just click connect with those, and then people will start to send you requests, and you can check them out to see if you want to include them in your network, and just click connect. And it's worthwhile not to just go for the number, but also to have a quality connection, have quality connections, have a quality network built in on LinkedIn, because that will help you develop the relationships that you want to develop, which will help maybe find new industries, new employers, new companies, new information to find. So this is the win-win situation that you will gain by building a quality network, a quality number of connections on LinkedIn. All right, hopefully that helps, and good luck with building your connections on LinkedIn.